Hey, what's up? It's Heather, aka This Unique Vibe, and today I'm going to show you how I make my space melt rolling tray. Today I'm using my Spreey alcohol markers. This is the 50 color pack and it does come with the brush tips and the chisel tips. And here's a close-up image, that way you can see all of the colors that I'll be using. And I'll also be using a black medium painter's pen and a white signo gel pen. And I'm just going to start this by making a spiral with the pink color first and then go through all the colors of the rainbow. So it'll be pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And by the way, all the products that I'm using in this video are linked below. And if you like this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And with the black painter's pen, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick outline of the drips and the entire border. And the paint that I'm using in this video is the color black by Apple Barrel Paints. And the last thing that I'm doing is just using my white signo gel pen to make all of the stars. And that is it. This is how it turned out. I really hope you like it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you do. And then once again, every product that I use in this video is going to be linked down below. And if there's anything specific that you would like to see me make videos on, definitely comment down below and let me know. I'd love to hear your guys' ideas. And I did do a side-by-side comparison of these markers versus my normal markers, the Ohuhu. These ones are cheaper and I definitely recommend them. And if you want to watch that video, definitely head over to my TikTok channel at This Unique Vibe to watch that. And don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell to get notifications the next time I upload a video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.